Yo, what's good? What's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna show you how to pull out a dent in a MK6 Jetta and primer it, because we have to primer it because of the rust and all that. So here's the Jetta going on, and we're gonna pull out the door, you know, the fender, pull this out and put some primer on it, you know, touch this up so it doesn't rust out. And yeah, so let's get straight to it.
So when you have a dent, you want to look at the body lines, see where they go. Like right here, you see how it's ovulated. This little area right here would be a perfect spot to put one of these little suckers. Put it under nice and tight. Let it suck there, make sure it's suction under. Grab a couple of them just in case. You can see the dent is like all right here. This whole part is in. So what we want to do is put it closest to the center as we can. Put it under, pull, dent's out. The rest of the dents, most of them I can't pull out yet. I'm gonna have to drill, tap in, weld something in and pull it out. But this fixes a lot of it already. This was one of the biggest issues, and it was messing with the Windows security. So as soon as you put the window up, it came back down because it was pressing up against it. This is gone. We have a brand new fender in the garage, so we're not even gonna deal with this fender. But you could do the same thing. You could attempt to do the same thing. Find a spot. Put them little suckers in. It doesn't even stick. Yeah, that's not enough to grip onto it. You can try to pull. But since we're not gonna salvage this, we're just gonna replace it. But that one, it's a lot better than what it used to.
Yeah. And we got them suction cups from Harbor Freight, if any of you guys are wondering. This is what it looked like. I don't think it was that expensive, near like 10 bucks, but they got bigger ones than this too if you got like a big body line or a bumper that you're trying to pull out. So they're really cheap. Alright, so I finally got the wheel off. So what you want to do is, well, what we already did is take off these two bolts that link up to the fender. Well, these three bolts link up to the fender. Then there's one right here and two more behind here. So I'm gonna show you how to take them off, and yeah, try to replace them. What you want to do is get your T20 star and drill out 1, 2. Next, you want to take out this, another T20 star right here. All right, next you want to, if you're in some fender, get these 3 out. After you've done that, take off these last 2 bolts. There's a bolt right inside the jar side door, right here. Oh!
What?
Huh?
What?
Nah, I had to stretch my back. Yo, what's up, fam? I forgot to do an outro again. My fault. That was that bad on my part, you feel me? I was kind of struggling, like, in the middle towards the end of the video, because then I kind of phased and didn't know what I was doing. But then I caught myself back in the process. It was just, you know, it was a long video. I was learning as I was teaching you guys as well, so it was a whole learning process for me. The primering on the Fender, as you guys seen in the video, we did that on Miles' channel. So if you want to go check that out, you guys will have to look on Miles' channel, and the link will be in the description. But man, it was fun, but it was a process, man. It was a process. And I apologize, you feel me? I forgot to do another outro at the beginning of the video again, because it was so much work that I was doing, you feel me? But I got some new content. I got some new heat coming out for you guys. Be patient. I'm in the middle of me doing school. I'm catching up on that, so that's why I've been lacking on really the quality videos of me trying to learn more and do better at the same time while I'm still producing better content, you feel me? So I apologize for that, but I do still have new content coming out. I'm not pushing YouTube away. I'm not, you know, knocking it down. It's just I got other things beside me doing videographing and what I love to do. So, like I said, I apologize for that, but there's more coming, so stay tuned, and y'all know my name.